Number 7 looks for us to find the value of each trigonometric ratio. So the three ratios are sine, cosine, and tangent, and these are the ratios for them right here. So Katoa, notice these are all from the point of view of the z angle. So we should draw our person here at the z. Once we draw the person here at the z, we can now label the several things. So the 28 would be the adjacent because it's the nearest one. 21 would be opposite, and 35 would be the hypotenuse. So now we can set up that tan of z, which is going to be the opposite over adjacent. So it is 21 over 28. Cosine of z, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, is going to be 28 over 35. And sine of z is going to be opposite over hypotenuse, which is 21 over 35. Now let's do B here. Notice these are all from the point of view of A, so we draw the person here on A. 31 would be the adjacent, 34 would be the hypotenuse, and 16 would be the opposite. Tan of A is defined as opposite over adjacent, so that is 16 over 30. Yes, I can simplify, but I'm just going to leave it as 16 over 30. Cosine of A is opposite over hypotenuse, and that is 30 over 34. And then sine of A, which is opposite over hypotenuse, which is 16 over 34. So there you go. That is how you set up your trig ratios.